Hello folks, Waz here from Audio Concepts in Cardiff, and our final job of the year, Ford Fiesta. Original stereo was pretty basic. The young lad wanted Apple CarPlay, so that's what we've done. We've integrated it into this fascia from Connects 2, added a new lock and unlock and hazard button, and then now we've got Apple CarPlay like usual, so there's no point going into all of this. Apple CarPlay, Android Auto, DAB, Bluetooth and steering wheel controls. So if something like this interests you, give us a ring. This now comes with a 3-year warranty because it's been installed by a professional pro center, and we're a pro center for Kenwood. So yeah, give us a shout. We're based in Cardiff. This is a KENWOOD 7722 DAB. Very good unit, sells pretty well for us. Look forward to seeing you on the next video. Bye bye.